Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. It is March 10th, 2026, as I am recording this episode of the Indie Zone. And the civil case, styled as Steve Goncalves et al. Versus Washington State University, is currently proceeding in the United States District Court for the Western District of Washington. It is, for all intents and purposes, at a standstill right now, per a notation that the district court judge indicated in a notice to the parties that a scheduling order will not be entered until the court resolves the motion to transfer venue. This motion, filed by the defense back on January 30th, 2026, asked the court to enter an order effectively closing the case in the Western District, transferring it to the Eastern District of Washington, also federal court, but in a courthouse located much closer to Pullman, Washington, in Whitman County. At the present time, this case is proceeding in a federal courthouse in Seattle. The plaintiffs have opposed this move. The plaintiffs want the case to remain exactly where it is before the court that was assigned when the case was opened in federal court back in January, and not transfer it to the Eastern District of Washington. Plaintiffs have also asked for oral argument, that is a formal hearing on the matter, and not for this motion to be resolved on the papers as it's referred to. Now, the noting date that you see on the motion to transfer venue, document number 8, indicates February 27th, 2026. That is the date when it would be proper, then and thereafter, for the court to resolve this motion to transfer. A review of the court docket today indicates that there is no hearing that has been scheduled on the motion to transfer as the plaintiffs had requested when they filed their response. And a review of the court calendar maintained by the United States District Court, Western District of Washington, for 2 weeks of time. The current week going into next week, ending with Friday, March 20th, 2026, revealing all hearings before all judges in the Western District, demonstrates that as of this time, there is no hearing that has been scheduled on the motion to transfer venue. And critically, the court indicated in a notice to the parties that she entered last month that no scheduling order will be entered in this case, indicating such critical deadlines as when discovery cutoff will be, when mediation court ordered will be, and other key substantial events in the case, until the court resolves the motion to transfer venue. So basically, this case is at a standstill until the court either enters an order setting this matter for hearing, or enters an order deciding it on the papers. All of the documents that are on the record thus far, the motion by the defense, the response by the plaintiffs, and the reply by the defense, along with 2 declarations, one from each side, in support of their respective positions. We have provided a link to the website for the Western District so that you can follow along if you're interested to see if this case has been set for a hearing on the motion to transfer. But as of this time, it has not. We will continue to keep you posted regarding this matter. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.